Hello and welcome to our discussion on relationship between ISO 20000-1 and ITIL, Information Technology Infrastructure Library. In this session, we will explore how these two frameworks complement each other in the realm of IT service management, ITSM, and how organizations can benefit from integrating them effectively. ITIL, on the other hand, is a set of best practices for ITSM that focuses on aligning IT services with the needs of the business. ITIL offers a comprehensive library of practices, processes, and guidelines for managing IT services throughout their life cycle, from service strategy and design to transition, operation, and continual improvement. Relationship between ISO 20000-1 and ITIL. ISO 20000-1 and ITIL are highly complementary frameworks that share common objectives and principles. While ISO 20000-1 provides a standard for IT service management, ITIL offers a wealth of best practices and recommendations for implementing ITSM processes effectively. Organizations can leverage the synergies between these frameworks to establish robust ITSM practices that align with international standards and industry best practices. Alignment of processes. One of the key areas of alignment between ISO 20000-1 and ITIL is in the definition and implementation of ITSM processes. Both frameworks emphasizes the importance of processes such as incident management, problem management, change management, service level management, and continual improvement. By aligning these processes with the requirements of ISO 20000-1 and the best practices of ITIL, organizations can enhance the quality and consistency of their IT services. Integration of practices. Another area of alignment is in the integration of ITIL practices into the ITSM system defined by ISO 20000-1. Organizations can leverage the guidance provided by ITIL to improve specific areas of their ITSM processes, such as service strategy, service design, service transition, service operation, and continual service improvement. This integration enables organizations to benefit from the expertise and experience encapsulated in the ITIL framework while adhering to the requirements of ISO 20000-1. Benefits of integration. The integration of ISO 20000-1 and ITIL offers several benefits to organizations, including improved alignment of IT services with business objectives, enhanced efficiency and effectiveness of ITSM processes, increased customer satisfaction, better risk management, and a framework for continual improvement. By combining the strengths of these frameworks, organizations can establish a robust foundation for delivering high-quality IT services that drive business success. In conclusion, ISO 20000-1 and ITIL are powerful frameworks that, when integrated effectively, can help organizations achieve excellence in IT service management. By aligning processes and integrating best practices, organizations can enhance the quality, consistency, and value of their IT services, ultimately contributing to business success and customer satisfaction. Thank you for watching, and if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.